Yes guys, it's Adam here, host of Hair System DIY. I've been a Newlacecu wearer, as some of you will know, for over 2 years now, and given that summer is well on its way, the sun is out, I've decided that I'll be going for lace frontals, especially during summer. It gets really hot and I find lace, it's breathable, it's light, it's the best possible base for summer. So one that's just arrived from Newlacecu is this wonderful French lace base, all round, nice and light, breathable. This is going to be my next unit that I'm going to be wearing. I'm going to have it fitted in, I think, about a week and a half. I might even film it, so we shall see, we shall see. But what I love about it is you just get the really natural hairline. It's kind of hard to tell without it being on your head, but you can see there how natural the sort of the gradation as well into the hairline can be. It's really quite nice. Also the fact that it's bleached knots as well, so it's pretty undetectable, which I really like as well. Because I like to have, as you can see here, I like to have my hair up. This is actually a super thin skin, but it still gives a really nice appearance. So this is what I'm going to be wearing next. Another one which I'll be wearing through summer, again from Newlacecu. Don't forget the 20% discount, guys. Newlacecu20 in the coupon code box. Now, the other system that I've got, which I'm going to be also wearing, is a poly perimeter. Now, I've never worn one of these bases before, so I'm quite excited. As you can see, there's a poly perimeter around the back, and then we've got this lovely French lace frontal. And as you can see again, really nice, natural, bleached knots at the front. And I'll be making a few videos with this as well. And then you've got in the middle, you have this sort of monofilament base across here, right? And you get a really nice density with this system. Really nice density, which is quite natural. It's not too thick. If you're finding it is too thick, you can ask your hairdresser to thin it out a little bit, which is quite nice. Both of these are colour 7. 7 tends to work best for me. What I do tend to do as well, to increase the longevity of these systems, I use a leave-in conditioner, but I also use argan oil. Now, I'm going to make a video on argan oil on Hair System DIY, so please do check that out. But it really nourishes and maintains the actual hair itself, and it gives more longevity, so you can get more of a lifespan out of the system. What I really like as well, especially with the poly perimeters, is you can use tape with these, and it's pretty easy to clean. So maintenance, if you're looking for something that's an easy maintenance job, this base is really useful because it doesn't take too long to clean. You can literally just use a bit of solvent and it will take the tape right off, no problem. So if short maintenance is your thing, then this is the system for you. We'll make sure that what we do is we include links to each of these systems on the description box below. But these are two systems that I really recommend for summer because it's hot, you're going to get sweaty. If you want to have your hair up, it gives a very natural appearance. Don't forget they're bleached knots, and it's also a gradiated hairline, which is fantastic. So it gives a really nice natural look, a really nice natural appearance. So what I would encourage, guys, is get yourselves down to newlacecu.com. Make sure you keep that coupon code box in mind, Newlacecu20 with a capital N at the front, and get yourself one of these systems because you're going to be feeling great in summer with these, I promise you.